What's up, everybody? Carpal Nutrition here, and today we're unboxing the M18 Fuel Surge 1/4 inch hex driver. It's brand new, just got it in, so we're gonna open it up and see what it's all about. Alright, so this is the M18 Fuel Surge, and if you've never had or used a Surge before, I highly recommend it. Noise reduction alone is worth it, but just the smoothness of the anvil and everything, it's just an overall great tool. So there it is. I mean, this thing is fairly tiny. It's 4 fingers wide on the head. Very compact. I only have a 12 amp hour here, but very smooth. You have your settings here. Yeah, so definitely check out the Surge if you're in the market for a new impact driver. These have 50% quieter than traditional impacts, way smoother and less vibration than a traditional impact. And you can sync things a lot easier. So check them out. Definitely highly recommend it. I have an M12 that I use daily, and this is nice to have along with that. Make sure to like and subscribe this video to see more stuff like this. I'll see you guys next time.